Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by making a clean caption file so YouTube can sync properly. Open your transcript editor, correct timecodes and speaker labels, and export as SRT or VTT in UTF-8. Once done, go to YouTube Studio, pick subtitles for the video, and choose Add Upload File with Timing. You do this because native file formats retain timing and formatting, so captions display at the right moments and avoid line breaks or dropped lines that confuse viewers. Once your file is uploaded, you edit directly in YouTube Studio to refine timing and readability. You drag caption bars to eliminate overlaps and split long lines so viewers can read comfortably. Make sure to enable auto-sync only when your transcript has no timestamps, otherwise manual adjustments prevent misalignment. Also, balance reading speed, limit 2 lines per caption, and aim for roughly 1.5 to 3 seconds per short sentence, so people can follow without losing context. You finish by saving and publishing captions after a final check. Confirm the language, visibility status, and save edits. Then play the video across desktop and mobile to verify display and timing. Switch captions on and off to inspect fallback behavior. If captions don't appear, re-upload a cleaned VTT file and clear your browser cache or force YouTube to reprocess by minor edit to the video. This step fixes encoding, format, or caching problems that commonly prevent captions from showing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.